Hey guys, I'm a DIY and home improvement enthusiast. None of what I do for this channel is for profit, and today I'm going to show you how to install the refill modification kit. I have here what I call the EcoLux model. It comes with a bamboo lid with a circular cutout, a glass canister which I've pre-filled with 200 ml of Kiri foaming hand soap. The glass canister can contain up to 750 ml of liquid, and it also comes with an extension tube because the tube that comes with the Walch foaming hand soap is not long enough to reach the base of the glass canister. You're going to need a flat tip screwdriver and an expanded Walch auto foaming hand soap product. So first, just pop the dispenser unit off. Okay. Whoops. And you can start prying the lid of the container. You're gonna avoid the parts where there is a tab here and a tab here because these are the points of weaknesses. Circumference of the circle, and it pops right off. Okay, next you'll have to add the extension tubing to the end of the original tube here. Make sure it's firmly and snugly pushed in. Then pass it through the bamboo lid, and you're done. Okay, so let's try it out. Now, because I've accidentally dispensed some foaming soap, we might have to prime it a little bit. Just to get rid of the column of air that may now be inside the dispenser. So just prime it twice. And a few more times. Alright, it's fully primed, and now you can see it dispenses the soap solution very well. Thank you for watching. That's the end of my video.